Hey YouTube, it's Prep for Life. A little over a year ago, I bought my first drone, the DJI Spark. And really it was for hobby purposes, just to get some good footage of our family vacations and the things that we were doing. And over time, I realized more and more that the amazing things that I could do with this drone. Fast forward to today, now I start using some of that footage in my videos, and I wanted to take a little bit more of a professional approach. So I recently upgraded to the Mavic 2 Zoom, which you can see the unboxing video here. You won't see many videos out there like this because the Mavic and the Spark are really in different leagues of their own. What I wanted to discuss today is a comparison of the two, whether it's really worth it to upgrade, and who these drones might be right for. First, let's talk about image quality. The Spark is only 1080p, where the Mavic 2 takes you to a full 4K. Is 1080p good enough? Well, you be the judge. Take a look at a couple of these comparisons. Depending on the screen that you're using to watch this on, you probably saw the 4K has quite a bit more detail, some more dynamic range for color, but in all reality, the 1080p from the Spark looks pretty good, and if you're just a hobbyist gathering some footage of a family vacation, it may be good enough. Now let's talk about obstacle avoidance. In the Spark, it really only has front-facing obstacle avoidance available. And when it comes up to an obstacle that it's about to hit, it really just stops in place and waits for you to give it another command. The Mavic 2, and I think as early as the Mavic Air, DJI started employing the APAS system, which actually allows the drone to fly around. When you add the Mavic 2's omnidirectional sensors, it means that this drone can really fly and maneuver in a lot of different ways to keep with the subject and not lose what it's tracking. Again, if you're just getting home footage as a hobbyist, the Spark may do really well. But for our kind of outdoor shooting, the Mavic 2 was definitely a win in its category. As far as speed and handling, especially in windy conditions, the Spark does okay, and if you've never flown another drone to compare it to, the Spark's going to do just fine. However, upgrading to the Mavic 2 from the Spark was like jumping from a bicycle to a sports car. I felt so much more responsive design, so much more speed, so much more power. The Mavic handles conditions so much more aggressively. It was really an eye-opener for me. But again, if it's just for hobby purposes and you really aren't used to anything else, the Spark's going to do just fine. We did a sound comparison between the two drones. Obviously not fully scientific, but as you can see from the ratings here, the Spark is coming in a few decibels lower. However, if you're just listening with the naked ear, it really sounds like the Mavic is quieter because of the lower tones of the propellers. In short, we were really impressed with the new low noise propellers coming with the Mavic 2. So again, this may seem like a ridiculous comparison to some. This is my life right now. But I think it's clear to see that the features and the quality of the Mavic 2 are a cut above because I need the more professional features. That's why we went with it. But you're paying roughly 3 times as much for the Mavic 2 as you are for the Spark. However, if you are just looking for your first drone, for something to capture some of your cool events, but you're not so concerned about image quality, you just want something that's easy to fly, gives an amazing image for the price, definitely consider the Spark, or, spend a few hundred more, look into the Mavic Air, which is really kind of the in-between for both of these worlds, and I think you're still going to be happy. Hope you found this video useful. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of further videos that we do, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.